of this world, a balance.
Alright, so I just did a practice 4 blind in preparation for the comp tomorrow. I haven't done this in 9 months, and I think I did pretty well. So if I decide to count this, that is a PB time. Would you count this? I literally just forgot to do undo the RU prime U prime for corner parity. All I did was 6 moves away from being solved. Depending on if you count cancellations. Anyway, yeah, I know exactly what I did wrong, won't do it wrong next time, so I'm gonna count that as a success. Woohoo. Alright, so heading off to the mental breakdown competition. Remember, it's a quiet competition, so if you're gonna comment, be sure to do it quietly. I don't want to see any uppercase letters in the comments, alright? It's a quiet competition, so just don't distract the competitors. Even though we haven't started yet, I'm still gonna be quiet because. Shh. Quiet. Alright, so the first 4 blind attempt was a DNF. Kind of close, not really, but you know, whatever. I'll get it next time. I don't know who that is. Okay, bye. I don't know. Yeah, all the lights went out in here for some reason. Don't worry. Everyone who's solving right now is already blindfolded, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, it's one person. There's one person solving, so it doesn't matter that the lights went out because he's already blindfolded. But that was strange. This is Alex scrambling for multi-blind. That's a lot of cubes. Alright, so I forgot to bring my tripod. So I'm just gonna try to set up my camera with cubes. But the only thing I'm filming is feet anyway, so yeah. Alright, so yeah, I'm outside, so I don't have to be quiet anymore, but I'm about to walk back inside, so as soon as I do, I'll probably have to just stop. Turtle. I claimed this spot for my FMC. No flash photography.
No flash photography. No flash cinematography.
I love when the blind rounds finish.
Well, guys, it's 1 degree hotter in here.
Woo, we did it.
10 degrees hotter. 10 feet higher.
1.5 meters.
Who's gonna pay for the wall? Mexico.
FMC time. Oh man, I'm doing FMC next to the world record holder. Alright, so FMC attempt done. I got a 38. It was like a couple of pre-moves that I had like a pseudo F2L -1, then some really bad stuff for edge orientation, and then I just happened to know the optimal ZBLL for a case, so that was nice. And now it's just about time for multi-blind. Of course, I'm doing 2 cubes because I'm an overachiever. Just got a 2 out of 2 multi-blind. That's 1 goal for the day accomplished. Still got 2 more attempts at 4 blind to get one of those solved. And now I guess next attempt will be 3 cube multi-blind, which means I need to generate a new room for my journey method because I actually only have 1 room that I'm using right now. Whoops.
Exactly 1 hour.
Yeah.
You stopped at exactly 1 hour.
Not exactly.
No, I stopped the timer late. That was exactly 1 hour, so.
Yeah, that was kind of crazy. I'll take it. All right, just did 3 blind. The first 2 were DNFs. The first one was just a complete failure. Forgot to memo like 4 edges. Second one was super close to successful. Almost sub 2, also it was 206, but I spent like probably 10 seconds trying to fix a mistake in my corner execution. I just messed up the algorithm like halfway through, like lost my grip on the cube or something. But that one, if I had done that, it would have been a success. Probably would have been sub 2, but that's okay. 226 might be good enough for second round, not sure. All right, so I just did FMC, got a 33, pretty good. On to 4 blind. And blind. Attempt to do 3 cubes this time. That multi-blind attempt was okay. I got 2 out of 3. I'm probably still gonna step it up to 4 or maybe even 5 next time. Probably just 4. That's probably a good idea. But yeah, basically I got 2 adjacent letters confused and I memorized them both as W. One of them was supposed to be like an X, and therefore I had to guess, so I had like a 50% chance of getting it. I guessed wrong, so yeah, DNF by 4 corners. It's okay though. I know what I did wrong. I'm gonna make sure I review that next time, and we're gonna do 4. I actually held up 5 fingers, but I only let 4 of them show on the screen, so it looked like I said 4. I also just realized that I only brought 4 decent speed cubes, so yeah, sticking at 4 for multi-blind. GJ. Good job. I swear if either of you hits not Kevin, it's like a war zone. You're gonna be in big trouble.
How much more time?
Invite me.
It's gonna go off, don't worry.
Invite.
Guys, it's not even 6:25 yet.
10 more seconds.
I didn't know this second. Where's your selfie stick?
4, 3, 2, 1. Don't worry, an alarm will go off. My turn.
Go, go, go!
I missed the photo.
Who's next? No one else.
Can I fake my meal?
Are you away?
Oh god.
Go! No! I got it! Hey!
FMC 3. Goodbye. Good first day. Thanks.
Bye.
All right. See you guys tomorrow. That was a good last solve. 32. Putting a mean, putting my mean at 34.33, which is sub 35. That's my goal. Now it doesn't matter what I do tomorrow. I can just relax. And hopefully, now my goal is to get a sub 30 solve. Probably not going to happen considering I've only done one of those in practice, but you know, I can try. Goodbye, competition. I'll see you tomorrow.